Do you feel like your partner doesn't appreciate you despite everything you do? The truth might be, you're simply speaking different love languages. In 1992, Dr. Gary Chapman introduced the idea of 5 love languages, and it changed the way we understand relationships forever. Most couples don't fall out of love, they just stop feeling understood. I love you. You mean the world to me. Some people feel most loved when they're told they're valued. If this is your partner's love language and you rarely compliment them, they might feel emotionally starved, even if you're doing everything else right. Psych fact, research from the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships shows verbal appreciation increases relationship satisfaction significantly. 2. Acts of service: doing the dishes, bringing them tea, taking care of errands. For some, actions speak louder than words. If you keep saying, I love you, but never help out, they might feel neglected. 3. Receiving gifts. It's not materialism, it's the thought behind the gift that matters. A surprise flower, a favorite snack, it says, I was thinking of you. It's the gesture that counts, not the price tag. 4. Quality time. No phones, no distractions, just presence. Sitting together, talking deeply, walking hand in hand. If this is their love language, then working late or constantly scrolling can feel like abandonment. 5. Physical touch. Holding hands, hugging, a reassuring pat. For some, love is felt through skin-to-skin connection. No touch, no love. That's how they perceive it. Most fights and emotional disconnects start when we express love in our own language, not our partner's. Imagine this. You keep buying gifts, but they just want your time. Or you say, I love you daily, but they're waiting for a single hug. Want to truly connect? Learn your partner's love language and speak it. It's not about effort, it's about understanding. Take the free quiz on 5lovelanguages.com together. Discover what makes each of you feel loved and start using it daily. Love isn't just about giving, it's about giving in a way the other person can feel. If you're constantly missing each other emotionally, you don't need to end the relationship. You need to translate your love.